How to fix Discord high CPU usage on Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord guys, like this, wait, I'm still looking for Discord. Yeah, I will open it like this, then go to storage and click on clear data, click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK. Don't forget the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.